Alright, so here we do have a compare. Okay, sorry about that. So here we have a compare and contrast. So we're going to look at two things that we've been working on and what we've just worked on right now. So before we had 3x plus 6 equals 14. And now we have something that looks like this. 4 parentheses 1 minus 7n is equal to 25 minus 7n. Compare what we were doing before to what we're doing now. What is the same? What is different? Go ahead and write some stuff that you notice that are the same and some stuff that are different. And let's see what we have in common. Go ahead and take your time and write some things that you notice. Okay, at this point, you have written what you've kind of noticed. I'm going to tell you what I noticed. I noticed that before, we only had one variable. And we only had a two-step equation. That means we had to do subtract 6, and then divide by 3, right? That's 2 steps. Now we have one variable, but on both sides. So we have one variable on one side. And we do also have distribution here now. And then at the end, we'll be solving for a variable. Just like we did in the two-step, we also at the end, we solved for a variable. Okay, so we can kind of just clearly write that out now. We can write before we were solving two-step equations with variable on one side. Now we are solving equations with variables on both sides. And we are also distributing. To solve for the variable. Both formats do require inverse operations. Okay, that is what I noticed from what we did before to what we're learning today.